What I like most about Karlsruhe is the green around the city. You have lots of parks, large parks.
What is very special is this fan structure of the city. You have the nice castle in the middle and everything is directed towards this castle.
Also, Karlsruhe is a really nice place to live. It's lively and located perfectly for traveling to France or parts of Germany.
What I also like is you have a lot of nice restaurants. Everything you need is here. The CRC provides a very strong research here. The analysis here is very strong and also the numerics.
Maybe the most surprising thing was the collaboration between the teams, so the numeric and the analysis team. So we have a very good connection among each other.
The CRC also provides a lot of structure for communication exchange, not only within our own group, but also between the groups. So for example, every 2 weeks we have a CRC team where we all can meet and talk to each other, and we really support each other. So, for example, we practice our talk with each other, we proofread our dissertations for each other. You automatically feel very comfortable here. It's something I really like here.
What I like about a work-life balance is the flexibility with 2 children. If I have dates or meetings, or if the children are sick, for example, then I just can stay at home or start later. Additionally, in the building there's also a playroom. Also parental leave was not a problem at all. So this I like very much.
The CRC at the KIT, they support you fully in everything you do. They fund the workshops, they give you a lot of room to do your research, they support you in traveling and attending conferences.
We have this annual meeting once a year where we all go to a nice area. So this year we were in Neustadt and normally we go also hiking there.
Yeah, and I think those are the reasons why coming here, studying here, or continue the academic career at the KIT in Karlsruhe is definitely recommended.